Google Drawings is an easy way to create logos online. First, you want to make sure that you're using Google Chrome as your browser. Then you log into any Google account, your Gmail, if you have access to it, or any Google. You go to google.com and log in. Once you log in, then you Google Drawings, because you might not have it in your tiles. Some of you might have it, might see it right here, but the majority of us don't have it in there unless you have added it manually. So you go to Google Drawings, and if you are logged in already, it'll take you straight into the application. You will notice that your canvas, which is this blank page, has some sort of checkers. The checkers mean that there's no background. There's a transparency background behind whatever it is that you're drawing. You will have a lot of different tools over here on top to create your logo. You have shapes, all kinds of shapes, arrows, callouts, equations. Use any of these to create the logo of that you have created already on paper. Once you select a shape, then you can change the colors by using your tools over here. The bucket will allow you to use or to change the color of the inside of the shape. The border color, is for that, for the border. So you can also change the color of the border. The border weight will allow you to have a thicker line outside your logo. And if you decide not to go with a line, but to go with maybe dashes or points or anything like that, you can also choose to do that. For your text, you select the text box, you draw the box, and you type whatever it is that you want to type. Another good way of creating a nice names in a logo is to use what we call word art. If you select word art, and let's say that the name of your company is Manage. So you type in the word, you click on enter, and it automatically creates a nice blocky text for you. The advantage of these blocky letters is that you can just resize as if they were a shape. So you can make them as small as you want, as big as you want, as thin or thick as you want. And you can play a little bit with that as well. Created a couple of logos that to show you a few things that you can do. This rocket was created using a text box. No Boundaries was created using word art. And these are lines that you can create, and as you can see, I actually gave them different colors so that it looks like they are in movement. The No Boundaries logo, the way I created this illusion is by copying and pasting two different boxes for the same word art. So I copied the same words twice, and then I kind of like arranged the ending over here and erased the ending of the first box and added another box with the ending areas, or to create the word boundaries. And then I arranged the first box to be behind the logo or behind the circle, and the ending to be on top of the circle. And you can do that by just selecting what you want to arrange and go to arrange and click on order and send to back, send to front, send backward, or send forward. So the possibilities are quite large. Now, once you are done creating the logo, you want to make sure that you utilize the full canvas for one logo only. You see two in here because I am giving you examples, but use the full canvas for your logo so that you can have a better usage of it. Then once you're done, Then you go to File and you download as. There are different options. You can download it as a PDF, JPEG, or PNG. The best one for a logo is to download it as a PNG. The PNG image will keep the transparent background, and that's very important to be able to manipulate the logo and to put it wherever you need to. So that's how you do it. Make sure you give it a good name, and it is automatically saved into your Google Drive.